Side.
Kia ora, Catherine.
Tekau.
Grandma, do you want me to take my earphones off so you can hear while you're cooking? Yep. Okay.
Oh,
Grandma's in class, but he's our cook tonight, so yeah. Okay. Yeah, tīmata tātou ne.
lovely. Ai.
Te wiki tuarua, Tekau marua. Ana, hei karakia. Mawai hei tīmata.
Maku or all of us?
Ana.
Okay. Whakataka te hau. Whakataka te hau ki te uru. Whakataka te hau ki te tonga. Kia makinakina ki uta. Kia mataratara ki tai. E hi ake ana te atakura, he tio, he huka, he hauhu, tihei, Māori ora.
Okay,
How old are you?
that sounded fabulous.
So pēhea koutou, pēhea te mahi.
Oh, ooh. Little bit hard for me,
Ne.
but still trying.
Okay. So, here's our mahi for tonight. On my ētahi rerenga, give me some sentences. There's 4 sentences that each of you need to create. And all I've given you are the formulas.
Oh,
The first one is tense plus verb plus subject plus key plus place. The second one is tense plus verb plus subject plus E plus object. The third one is indefinite plus object plus subject. And the fourth one, indefinite plus object plus adjective plus subject. Now that's all I'm going to give you. I'm going to let you all think. You all have to have a sentence for each one. So if you wanted to talk, I'm going to give you 5 minutes. So, kei te pai, you can kōrero to each other to get those. That's all you've got for formulas. How are you supposed to do that, Kirema, while you're cooking?
okay. Taiho, I'm just going to turn my machine off.
Do you want me to take over cooking while you do this, Kirema?
You're speaking with Monica. How may I help?
Can you tell me the structure?
Monique's still with them.
So,
Hi.
verb is so e hari ana.
Hi there. How can I help?
Grandma book. It's in the structure somewhere in there. Well, that hasn't been updated.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to make up a sentence.
Hi.
Okay.
Okay. What's the terminal ID?
Monique's still at work.
Yeah.
Sure. What's the terminal ID?
Okay. Which
So
Kate, shall we? Which tense shall we use in the first one? Kua.
anyone has it.
Oh,
Up to you.
Yeah.
okay. We try car.
Yep.
Car is the future. Is car the future?
Hi.
Okay.
08. How much is it for? How much? How much is it for? How much is the transaction?
Okay.
What day is that today?
And this one is
Okay.
the phone. The other one is T
What's the terminal ID on the receipt?
plus E plus object. Object. So you can say that one. Yeah, you can do that, then.
Okay. I've got a little bit of one, Tan.
Yep. How do you connect?
I've got ka haere au ki te toa
Ka pai, ka haere au ki te toa.
to
Right.
buy some clothes.
Oh, so we
I
just
haven't.
we just have to do that, just that
What
part.
time?
Oh,
What
that's.
time?
That's all.
I'm. Here ha te kupu o kupu Māori o buy. Hoko?
Yeah, right.
Okay, what's the terminal
Okay.
ID on the receipt? 676328.
Ka haere au ki te toa.
Subject,
Something hoko. What do we use for the joining? Or two?
Okay, the
Or
last transaction on 08 was
So
at
that's all you. That's all
1645.
you need to
It can't be
do.
that one.
work
Right?
out.
Yeah, that's what you need to work out for now.
Okay. To.
So your number 2 sentence now.
Oh, okay. D. Okay.
The last transaction on terminal 8 is at 448
Last.
for 126.53. Yeah. Okay, can you do a log on for me? Can you do a log on or put through another transaction for any amount?
Okay, I got a sentence.
Number 2.
Last year I went to New Zealand. So,
So that-
using the tense E,
Okay, so I can see a pre-auth for 150.
does it make
and it
sense?
finalised
E
for
te rā tau?
126.53.
Well, when you're loud, sister.
So number 2. So
So that's gone through.
number 2. Number 2 we're using
126.53.
the tense, verb, subject, and E plus an object.
Okay, object. Oh, see,
No,
dodo.
okay then.
Okay, last
No.
year. Aho.
Right.
E.
Thank you.
Oh, okay.
My one.
Oh,
is,
thank you.
Te noho
Okay.
aho I te turu.
All right.
Te aha?
Thank you.
I te turu. Kei te
Okay.
noho aho I te turu.
Kei te. Okay, I sat on the chair. Kei
Aye.
te noho aho I te turu.
And your one?
Aua. I haven't yet. Use. Can I use that kei te noho a Tanya I te turu?
Aye. Ka pai.
Is it? Yeah?
Oh,
See,
should I ask
I'm
the teacher?
cheating.
Should I ask the teacher? No, you're learning. Ooh.
Oh dear. Okay. Oh. So. Oh, what happened to the thing?
Mary Jane's helping with an example.
These are all
Oh, an
Kiriama's,
indefinite.
these are all Kiriama's examples.
Hi, Kiriyama.
Hi.
Hi, Kiriyama.
Hi, Kiriyama.
He's still teaching.
Indefinite.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay. let's see. So Kiriama's example for tense plus verb plus subject plus key plus place. E tunu ana a kere ki te kāinga. Okay, Tanya, humai te te.
Oh, what did I say?
Okay, you're using that one?
Oh, kei te noho ahau ki te kāinga.
E te noho ahau ki te kāinga. Ka pai, Rachel.
Ka haere au. Sorry?
Yep.
Ka haere au ki te toa.
Ka
But I
haere
didn't-
au ki te toa. Mone.
Muni was on a call.
Yeah, she's on the call.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I'm off now. Sorry, I had my mic on. Kua haere ahau ki... Oh, kua haere a mone ki te mahi.
Ana. Ka pai koutou. So, let's now whakapakiatia I nei rerenga. E tunu ana a kere ki te kāinga.
Kere,
I don't know what tunu is.
kere cooking at home.
Yeah.
Kere is cooking at home. Ana. Let's whakapakiatia Tania's. Kei te noho ahau ki te kāinga.
Cooking.
Tania
Tanya is sitting at home.
at home. Ka pai, Rachel, ka haere au ki te toa.
Rachel will... Oh,
Ana, Rachel will.
Go. More.
What will Rachel do?
Go
I
to the
will
shop.
go
Oh.
to the shop.
Sorry, I don't have mine. Not Rachel will. It's O. I will go
Oh,
to the shop. E mone, kua haere a mone ki te mahi.
Muni's at work.
Mone,
Oh, cool. Finished.
Went.
No.
kua haere a mone ki te mahi.
Mone went to work.
Mone went to work. Ana. Ka pai.
Went to work.
So our second one, our tense plus verb plus subject plus E plus object. We have Kire's example. Tanya, homai te te.
Oh, gee. Oh, yeah.
Kei te noho a hau I te kāinga? No. What? Say what?
I am sitting at home.
Yeah, I te kāinga.
So what's the difference between kei te noa hau ki te kāinga and kei te noho au I te kāinga?
AT is something that Tanya was doing, and ET was something Tanya did.
Oh, he rereke.
Oh, okay.
I te kāinga. Ki te kāinga.
Towards...
At home.
Ana.
Yeah.
So when you're looking at the kei te noa hau ki te kāinga,
I'm sitting. Okay.
there's no directional happening, eh?
Mm.
None.
So I'm staying at home, or I am at home.
Yeah, and even here with e tunu ana kire ki te kāinga.
Yeah. Kire is cooking at home, but there he's cooking. E tunu ana a kire I te tina. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
So this is correct. Kei te noa ahau I te kāinga, I am sitting at home. Kei te noa ahau ki te kāinga, I am sitting at home. Is that correct?
Yes, no.
It is correct.
Yeah, because you're still doing it. You're doing it now.
But-
You're sitting at home.
Yeah, but it's not about
so-
the action. It's,
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
Um,
The key
whether it's
in
a
this instance is either to or at.
Yeah.
So in this case, using key in this sentence, you're putting it into at home.
So would I be, oh, okay, yeah.
And then the same with I te kāinga is at home. So this is a circumstance where E and key are the correct. You can use either or. Not often you can do the either or. But kei te noa ahau ki te kāinga, kei te noa ahau I te kāinga he orite. So that's the same.
You can use either either.
So I'm just looking at the example. Would it be kei te kāinga ahau I te noho?
You would say in that, because kei te is a tense. Oh, hang on. No, hang on. You're putting in the location. That sentence is also correct. So you're going kei te kāinga.
E te kāinga ahau I te noho. Or is that all back to front?
No. You've got that correct. That is a correct sentence, but it's a different structure.
Yeah,
Show you.
yeah, much appreciated.
So that sentence is actually correct. So what you've got is location, or they call it location, plus place, plus subject, plus
Okay.
E, plus care, plus verb.
Oh, food.
So the location in this case is the K. Yeah?
Okay.
Not K te, it is actual K. Because this te is in relation to the kainga, the subject, the place.
Okay.
So you got K plus the place is te kainga. Plus the subject is ahau. Plus E plus te plus your verb, noho. So it is a correct sentence, it's just a different structure.
Okay.
Yeah?
Oh, wow.
So we'll go back. Rachel, what's your sentence for the second one?
Oh,
Sure.
Tense plus verb plus subject plus E plus object.
kei te noho a tānia I te turu. But I've already used the kei, haven't I?
Fine.
I got that one off, changed Tania's one.
Okay. Mone. Tense plus verb plus subject plus E plus object.
Ka piki a tama ki te rako.
Ka piki a tama
I te rako.
Ki te rako.
I te rako.
Yeah.
Ana. So let's go whakapākehtia. E tunu ana a kere I te tina.
Yeah.
Whakapākehtia.
Kiri is cooking dinner.
Kere is cooking dinner. Ana. Kei te noa ahau I te kāinga.
I am sitting at home.
I'm staying.
Oh, staying, sorry.
Sitting or staying, yep.
I'm staying home.
Staying would be best to say, when you translate sentences. Kei te
Maybe
noa
take-
a Tanya I te turu.
Tanya.
Is sitting on the chair.
And ka piki a tama I te rākau.
Tama climb the tree.
Will climb.
Will climb the tree. Oh, yeah, because it's car, eh?
Bye.
Oh.
Bye, koutou. Ruri ki te tua toru. Indefinite plus object plus subject. So kere, what's te tina, tēnei.
Okay.
Tania, he o ke, ko te,
I don't know. Ko te kāinga tēnei.
Ko te kāinga tēnei. Rachel,
I don't know.
you can use he o ko te.
Ko te hu tēnā.
Ko te hu tēnā. Mone,
Te turu tēnā.
ana. He tūru
Turu.
tēnā. Ka pai. Whakapākehtia. Ko te tina, tēnei.
This
This dinner.
dinner.
Yaha.
This dinner.
This
This
is
is dinner.
dinner.
This is.
Ko te kāinga tēnei.
This is home.
Oh, that's a nice way of putting it. This is home.
Oh,
And it's a natural way because you wouldn't go, this is the home, because you would
Yeah.
use whare as that, but you know, you're giving that sense of home. Ko te hu tēnā.
You got the biggest plate.
that shoe?
I watched you grab it.
I didn't grab it.
Yes, it was sitting right there, and I watched you grab it.
Oh,
Ko
I
te
don't know
hu
how to put
tēnā,
that.
that shoe, that. Yeah, ko te hu tēnā, that shoe. Ko tēnā hu would probably be the thing. That.
This one.
That doesn't make sense.
That is a shoe.
Oh,
That is a shoe.
Ko te
And
hui
he
tēnā.
tūru tēnā.
That chair.
That is a chair.
I'll give it to me, the box over there.
He tūru tēnā. Ko te hu
Taha
tēnā.
tēnā.
That is a shoe.
Tēnā. So,
That is the chair.
That is a chair. Fine. Right, now down to the fourth one.
Oh,
Today. Okay, Tanya. Indefinite plus object plus adjective plus subject.
oh, did I use before? Yeah.
So the adjective is describing the object.
Yeah. Ko te kāinga tēnei. Ko te kāinga mahana tēnei.
Ah, no. Rachel,
Ko te turu, oh no, ko te iti turu tēnei.
Ko te iti turu tēnei. Titiro ki te
Yeah.
formula.
Oh,
It's definite
okay.
plus object plus adjective plus subject.
Oh, he, oh no. Object. He turu iti, object iti. Iti ruma. I don't know. I don't
Okay,
know.
look at your formula.
Okay. He turu, okay. The indicator, the object, the adjective plus subject. I don't know.
Look at the formula, you're almost there.
I can't find a subject. Is it a, can I use tēnei?
Anna. One.
Ko makariri tēnei. This is cold.
You got indefinite plus object. Makariri is a verb, is it? Or adjective?
Adjective? Oh, okay. Object. Ko or
What was your sentence before, Mone?
I said ko makariri tēnei.
Oh, the number 3 sentence. I can't see it. What was her? Oh, he turu tēnā. So that was your previous sentence. So if you use
Changed it to indefinite ko turu
Follow the
tēnā.
same pattern as
Yeah.
the sentence
Statement.
before, but put your
It is a
adjective
big
following your
cheers.
object.
so use your same sentence, but
Your
yeah,
he turu tēnā,
Okay,
and then put
that's
describe your
a
turu.
chair.
now describe your turu. Yeah,
Oh, okay. Describe it.
yeah.
Ko atahua.
Okay, what's a tahua though? Because a tahua is an adjective, but what are you missing for your adjective?
Ko turu is the object. Atahua is the adjective.
No, but remember, you need to place something in front of the object or the subject. You can't just say ko turu. You got to put something in front of turu. Look above it,
Oh,
Kireamas
ko
and
te
Tania.
turu.
Ana, ko te turu.
Ko te turu.
What was your adjective?
Atahua.
Atahua. Ana, in your subject.
Oh. Ko te turu atahua. Subject is
So look at the examples above. Ko te tina reka tēnei, ko te kāinga mahana tēnei, he tūru iti tēnei, and your one ko te tūru atahua
tēnā.
tēnā.
Right.
Ana, ka pai. Kai hoki atu whakapakia tia, ko te tina reka tēnei,
This dinner is lovely, sweet, nice.
Ah,
Dinner.
Delicious.
no. Sweet, delicious.
Delicious.
Ka pai, ko te kāinga mahana tēnei.
This home
House
is warm.
warm. Home.
This home is
Warm.
warm. Ana. He tūru iti tēnei.
This chair.
The chair is small, tiny.
Kia tēnei.
The chair,
Oh, the.
that is a tiny chair.
Tēnei.
This is a,
Is a tiny chair.
Kia.
this is a
This is
chair.
A
chair.
tiny chair.
Ko te
Hi.
tūru a tāhua tēnā.
This chair is beautiful.
That is a beautiful chair.
Kia. That is a beautiful chair.
Ooh.
Mm.
Ka pai koutou. Ai a koutou mahi. Nāma nui hone.
Amanoi.
Well, you've all just created 16 sentences using the formulas, just the formula. Ka pai.
Ka pai.
This sentence here, I'm going to bring up at a later stage, that is K. We would do that. So looking at the kiwaha,
Oh, there's new ones.
there's some new ones. So the ones that we've done, e ai ki, according to, e pāna ki, relating to or relates to, nā te mea because, i ngā wā o mua, in the old days in ancient times, wahangu, shush, he aha tau, ne mai yours. Was there another one we had?
Ka hore.
Our new ones for this week.
Okay.
Okay, right. Marika, awesome, miracle. Marika, amazing. Koya, koya, that's the one.
Mhm.
Kuya, kuya. I like that.
Koya, koya.
Yeah, I like that too.
So those are good ones to use with the mokos, tamariki.
Mm.
So now we have 9 kiwaha. To our dictionary, adding to our dictionary. I didn't do any sentences for these 3 kiwaha because they're pretty self-explanatory. They're good to use. So now we're just going to go back and do some more mahi, and I'll see if you can get this. I'll give you the formula. I'll give you a couple of minutes.
Oh, what have I got?
So now you're going to make 3 sentences. And these 3 sentences have to relate to the other. You can't give me 3 separate sentences about things. It's got to be about the same thing. So your tense that I want you to use, kua, and ka.
And car.
It's your tense that you have to use, and your indefinite. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you have tense plus verb plus subject plus key plus place. Indefinite plus object plus subject. Tense plus verb plus subject.
Wow.
Kei te haere ahau ki te whare paku.
Ua.
Okay, so Mone started your fellow sentence. Kei te haere ahau ki te whare paku.
Oh, I was just telling you I'm going to the toilet.
Oh, you're actually telling us.
Kapai.
But it went with the sentence formula.
But do we not have to use the tense kua
Yeah.
as opposed to kate?
Ai.
Oh, okay. Kui haere au.
Well,
I didn't
haere.
realise that Mune was actually saying what she was doing.
So now, if we're looking at it, kua haere.
No. Kua haere a Mune.
Mune
Yeah.
ki te whare paku.
Ai. Kua haere a mune. Oh, kapai. That was a good one.
So your next sentence has to continue on from this sentence.
Okay, so that's the first one.
Has to be relevant.
Object.
Mm. Mm.
You can't be talking about anyone else. You can only talk about money in this sentence, the next sentence.
So what, you got to do that first part and then the second part? And make them connect.
Well, your sentence starts, your first one goes, kua haere a mone ki te whare paku. So your next sentence is indefinite plus object plus subject. So you can't be talking about anyone else but mone.
So definite is
Either ko or he. Hmm?
kua haere.
Kua haere a mone.
And what's the third one? Tense verb.
Kua
subject.
or ka.
No. He.
Tense.
Indefinite plus object plus subject. No, because horoi is verb.
Horoi is what? I had horoi.
Yeah,
Or
Shirama is
ringa,
going
no.
here, horoi, but no, because horoi is a verb.
So what?
You're describing either mone in this next sentence, you're either describing mone,
He wahine a mune.
he wahine a mone.
Oh.
So you couldn't talk about anyone else but mone or the wharepaku. So your next sentence is tense plus verb plus subject, and you're using ka.
Ka. Tense plus verb. Ka horoi.
Ka haroi.
Verb.
That is the
tense,
verb.
Subject. Ka horoi. Ringa ringa. Oh.
Ka haroi
Amone.
a mone. And then you want to put in the ringa ringa, Kiriama. You want to extend it.
Oi amone.
So how would you say if you want to extend? Okay, plus subject plus e, right?
So
Plus object. Ka haroi a mone.
ka horoi.
Ngā ringa ringa.
E.
E.
Ngā
Ringa.
ringa ringa ringa.
Oh, E. Okay, how did we get the E down?
No, Kiriama added on because he wanted to add in the hands, washing the hands.
I get the hands, but the E.
Remember, you have either got tense plus verb plus subject plus E or
E plus object.
plus object.
Oh, this is headache material.
Indefinite.
Here or, oh, is that your next one you're putting
Object.
together?
Their sentence. Tense plus verb. Plus subject. Indefinite. Plus object plus adjective plus subject. There we go. First sentence is an indefinite plus object.
Indefinite. So you start off with, is it he?
Mm-hmm.
He tama.
He tama.
So indefinite plus object he tama.
That's your sentence. Your first sentence is indefinite plus object. The next sentence is, hang on, tense plus verb plus subject.
He tama. What?
You want to go kua?
He tama kua. Tense plus verb. Kua haere.
Kua haere.
Subject. Te kora? Oh.
Nope.
Ko haere te tama.
Subject. Subject.
Ko haere. Ko haere aha. No.
You can't put yourself into that sentence because you're talking about the boy.
Ko haere.
Te tama.
Ko haere mai.
So,
That's still not the
Well,
subject.
Te tama makes sense. Ka haere te
Yeah.
tama.
What else makes sense?
ko haere te tama. Yeah. Ko haere te tama.
Te tama. Kua haere te tama. What else would make better sense though, rather than te tama, repeating te tama?
Oh. Ko haere ia.
Hmm. Ana,
Oh,
kua haere ia.
Ah.
Now we got an indefinite plus object plus adjective plus subject.
Indefinite. So it's here and cause.
Yep, here and core are the two indefinites.
Ko haere ia ko
haere ea.
Tekau.
Ko te tama tūreiti.
Ko te,
Tama. Ko te tama?
Oh,
ko te tama
Tūreiti ia.
ana.
Very good, Tanya.
Late. Tūreiti. Ngati tūreiti.
Okay.
Too late. Tūreiti.
Tūreiti ia. Oh, he
Ko
tama.
he tama, kua haere ia, ko te tama tūreiti ia. So, a boy, he's left, he's gone,
Yeah.
but the boy is late. He is a late boy. Probably not the best adjective to use. He's a late boy.
He's oh, okay.
I was trying to tie it in with the haere.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so
It's
were
very
you
good.
making the sentence to tie all into he tama?
Ana.
Okay. The boy.
It's still correct, but it doesn't make that much sense. Eh? He's a late boy.
But that's in English.
Yeah, yeah. When you go to English, yeah.
It's always like, oh, yeah, yeah. A tardy boy. There you go.
That's a good one. He's a tardy boy.
Mm.
But ka pai. Okay. Awe, kitiro ki te wā. Now, at 8 o'clock tonight, you're all welcome to stay on because Tai is going to do her whakapuaki presentation to the whānau. This is her next assessment.
Mm. That's cool.
She was hoping to do it at 7:30, but I said, no, you have to do it at 8 when we finish class.
Oh, definitely.
So we can do another one before to go on. What I want you to do for your mahi kāinga this week is to look at these formulas, go back and do what we're doing here and see if you can make sentences.
Mm.
Yeah, just like this. So let's go with one. Tense plus verb plus subject plus key plus place.
That's what P stands for.
Yeah, P is place. Place. Tense plus verb plus subject to. Okay, now I'm giving you two subjects. So the first one sentence is one subject plus subject to plus E plus object. And then indefinite plus object plus subject. Okay. So tense plus verb plus subject plus key plus place. Tense plus verb plus subject to plus E plus object. Indefinite plus object plus subject. So let's go. Tense plus verb.
E waiata ana.
E waiata ana.
Subject.
Tense plus verb plus subject. E waiata ana e
Tanya.
Tanya.
Ki
Tanya.
te kura.
Ki te kura.
Ki te aha. Ki te kura, probably that directional is waiata, is you're saying that Tanya is singing to the school, to a building.
Oh, ki ngā tamariki.
I ngā tamariki. Ana.
To the
Tense,
children.
tense
Okay.
plus verb plus subject to. Oh, hang on. No, because the first one is to the place, eh? It can't be.
Yeah,
the
plus
place,
the
plus.
P. Okay.
It has to be key too.
It has to be key, and it has to be place.
Key.
Ki wahi
No.
tapu.
You'd have to go something in front of wahi tapu.
Te.
Oh,
Ki
However,
te.
it still wouldn't be right.
Oh, okay.
Nah, the sentence wouldn't be right because it's to the place, to a place. So therefore, your verb is not right. It doesn't fit in with this particular formula.
What about key?
Oh, okay. So you got to take out waiata and put
Yeah, you
something
have
else
to
in.
change your verb
Okay.
in order to make the sentence right according to that formula.
Okay. Oh, hari ana. E hari ana a Tania ki
Tania ki. Now
te
you
wahi tapu.
ki te wahi tapu. Right. Tense plus verb plus subject to plus E plus object. So now you're bringing somebody else into this equation.
Sorry?
You've got to bring your subject to as somebody else.
The tense.
Tense plus verb.
Kua.
Kua.
What is it?
Tense plus verb.
Kua. Oops. Like a proof for that.
Wairua.
Kua wairua. Oh, just
So wairua is, if you're using wairua, that
spirit is like someone.
yeah.
Yeah.
But something's got to happen because the wairua is the subject. Hey,
No, but what about a person?
no, Tanya.
tangata, but that's the subject. You still got your verb to put in front of that.
Oh, verb.
So we could still say kua haere
Kua haere rōpū.
Mone.
korua.
Āmone. Oh.
Or haere.
Haere kōrua.
Subject to.
Subject to.
I'm not sure, but because you're using the word korua, you haven't brought korua in
Okay.
because you're not
So-
talking, like your first sentence isn't talking to those two people. Your first sentence
right.
is saying Tanya is going to the wahi tapu. And then when you got you two have gone, you two haven't come in, you had to put some another subject, other words. Kua haere.
Money.
Can you say she went yesterday as
So
well
this
or
is
something?
subject two. Tanya is the first subject. Remember,
Oh.
subject two is bringing somebody else in, but you've got to remember that that must fit. So korua, because you're not directing your kōrero to two people yet, it doesn't fit.
Okay.
What about rōpū
Kua
or
haere,
whānau?
yeah, kua haere, what?
Aho. I went.
Oh.
Kua haere aho.
Yesterday.
You got E plus object. None of this whole thing doesn't fit in. Now I'm going to tell you why. You have got Tanya going to the wahi tapu, right? The action is happening now. but then you're trying to bring in an event that happened before. Kua haere,
Okay.
which has no relevance to what's happening now with Tania.
Ka haere?
Ka pai.
Yeah. So the tense here,
Yeah.
unless you're joining this tense up with what's happening with Tania. Now this is a kupu that you could, he haere ana a Tania ki te wāhi tapu. So if you want to use kua, here's what you would go. Kua tātari a hau. Ne, kua tātari a hau. I waited.
Oh.
I waited for her.
Tanya.
Yeah.
Ia or ia
Oh,
tātari.
Tanya's going to the white of a
So
night.
the event is going with the previous
Continue.
event. So Tania is going to the wāhi tapu. I waited for her.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you got to make sure that when you're putting your sentences together, your tenses, your verbs are correct according to your sentence. Not just the formula, but that the sentence comprehends.
Follows the first one.
Has a relevance. So our last sentence is indefinite plus object plus subject.
Tanya.
O te pai waiata ia.
E kai waiata. Yeah. So she's the singer. Does it have a relevance with the sentences before?
Huh?
No.
Are you saying is that relevant to the
Yeah, when you're
sentences?
looking at this last sentence, does it go with the sentences before?
Nah, a priest
Oh,
would.
no, she is song.
He
Not
kai
the
waiata,
last
because there's nothing to indicate about singing. There is the wāhi tapu.
Okay.
E
He pauri korua. Oh, he pauri.
e minita.
We both are sad or something.
Okay, yep, that's right. However, it doesn't go with the formula that's there, eh?
All right. What about we both enter? Oh, hang on. I've got that's English.
Indefinite plus object plus subject.
Yeah.
Definite. Yeah. Object. Oh, okay.
Well, if she's not the
Yeah.
singer, she can be the minister.
Yeah, what? He minita.
Right.
Ana. See, that goes with what your sentence before is. Yeah. E ra wāhi tapu.
Oh, aye.
You seen that?
Aye.
But that brings your sentences into
Cohesive.
ana. Ka pai. Ka pai koutou. Titiro ki te
Oh.
wā. It's 1 minute to 8 and Kai's coming on and all the whānau are joining.
Hi.
I'm going to put this up on Facebook as well as the video. And I'm going to leave out mahi kāinga. I think that you can just carry on and just try and create stuff. So
Right.
I'm not even sure if we do karakia e whakakapi. No, we will. E taunei ki runga i a tātou katoa te wairua o ngā mātua tūpuna, nā rātau i whakatakato te ara, hei hi koinga, nā tātou ngā uri, i whakatōkia o tātou ngākau ki ngā tikanga, hei aratakina i a tātou ki a ngā kaunui ki te hāpai, i a tātou mā i katoa, i roto i te pono, te tika, me te māramatanga, me te aroha anō o tētahi i tētahi. Koe ara e rongo, whakairia ake ki ronga, kia tīna, koe e, ka pai whānau.
Ka pai.
Thanks, Mary Jane.
Ko mutu te mahi, te pōnei. A tērā Wiki,